Hello, welcome back to Herbie's Garage. Today, I'm working on my 2022 Lifan KPR 200. I'm going to be installing a motorcycle alarm system. You know, motorcycles can and do get stolen, so it's always a good idea to have an alarm on it. If you're worried about that, you may live in a rural community or whatever where you don't have to worry about it, but just to be on the safe side, I prefer to have an alarm on my bike, so I'm going to be installing this one. It is a ATF WEL alarm system for motorcycles, made in China. What you get with it is you get the alarm system itself. You get a horn, siren, get a wiring kit, quick connectors, 2 remotes, like an orange one and a green one, and a sticky tab for this, stick it to your motorcycle. Okay. Now the KPR already comes pre-wired for an alarm system. It's back here by the tail light. This is the plug right here, and it comes with a cap on it. You have to take this cap off. You have to press this button down and lift up, and the cap comes off, and you won't need the cap anymore. And then there's your plug. Now, if you want to relocate your alarm system farther away, you can hook this into it. You got to rewire all these wires if you want to use this. Hook this into it and then put it in a farther away spot. I'm not doing that. I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. But here is the alarm system, and I've already got it pre-wired. Now, if you want to get this alarm and do it exactly the way I did it and have the same functions as I have, which isn't very many, I'll explain that in a minute. You have to wire it this way. You have a yellow wire in the center on the right, a black wire at the bottom, and then on the left, in the left center, you have yellow, and then the top, you have red. Basically, you have a power, a ground, left and right turn signals. So if you've never worked with these kind of plugs before and taken these things out and putting them in and moved them around, because I had to move all these around. They weren't put in the correct location. This is what these look like, and they have a push tab right there. And you have to push that in and then pull the wire out. Here, I'll demonstrate it for you, just in case you've never done it. Now this push tab has to go in one certain direction. So you look down in there and you'll see how those go in and come out. Put it back in the same direction, and you would push it in until you hear a click. And see, that's locked in. So in order to take that back out, all you need to do is take your little sharp object, you know, this is just a pick, but you could use a pick or you could use a screwdriver, and you just depress that and then pull it out. This little thing right here. You just depress that, push it in, and then pull the wire out. And then you can move it to the right location and then snap it in. And do that to all of them. And what I did is I took all of the wires out at one time and then started snapping in the correct wires in the correct location. Okay. Then all it does, it fits right on here. It's a plug and play. After that, it just snaps right on. Easy as could be. This is the remote. And if you set the alarm, you push this button. You see now it's set. You want to unset it, you hit the unlock button. Okay, now I have my horn, my siren disconnected because it's early morning. I don't want to wake everybody up. I will show you that. I'll hook it up and I'll muffle it a little bit and show you the sound of that, a little bit of the sound of that. If somebody was to come up to your motorcycle and just start messing with it, the alarm would go off. So all they have to do is like get on it or start messing with it like they were going to steal it, and the alarm will go off on it. And then you turn. See, this horn is a plug and play as well. It just plugs in like that, nothing to it. I'm going to set the alarm and it's going to go off, and it's going to be a little bit noisy, so if you have earbuds in, you can turn the volume down. There we go. Okay, and that's muffled. So imagine what that sounds like without the things on. I think it's got like a 125 decibel horn. It's loud, believe me. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and install this, and then I'll show you the finished product, where I put it and how I put it in. Now I'm going to show you how, or where, this is where I'm going to put this at. I'm going to disconnect this, take this out, and I'm going to put it right here. See this right here? You take this out, and this is where you keep your tools and stuff, and I'll probably be able to fit them back in there. But what my plan is these extra wires that are on here, I'm going to cover all those. I'm not going to cut them off. I'm just going to cover them and put a heat shrink over it and get them out of the way. And then I'm going to shove this in this opening in here. There's a hole in the back here, okay, where this wire can go through. So I'm going to put it in there, and the wire's going to come through just enough where I can plug that together. And then my horn is going to sit in here. Okay, so I'll show you all that when I'm done. Okay, it's completely installed now. I've got this zip tied to here, and it's good and solid. This is tucked in there into this tray, and it's all wired in, and it's all ready to go. Now all I have to do is, this tray has a little dip in it, I guess for that lock mechanism there for the seat, for it to slide under that. I'm going to cut that out because it's hitting on my alarm and it won't slide all the way in. So I'm going to cut that out and then put it in. Okay, it's all installed. I'm going to give it a try. We're going to hit the alarm. Oh man, I love it. Okay, we're going to set and arm the alarm. We're going to come over here and we're going to be a burglar for a minute. We're going to steal his bike. Woo. Better not steal that one. Okay, well, I'm done. That's the motorcycle alarm install on a 2022. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description for this motorcycle alarm if you want to get it. It's a plug and play. You do have to change the wires around and put them in like I have them if you just want the alarm with the turn signals. If you don't want the starting feature. I did hook up the starting feature and I tried it and it did work, but the starter stayed engaged too long and it sounded like it was grinding a little bit. I did not like that. I don't really need the starting feature anyway. This is all I want, is just this alarm and the lights flashing. So looks really good to me. Okay, thanks for watching.